In this video, explore how to make changes to your job setup. To start, let's review document placement. The system's placement of documents may be unsatisfactory. Feeding full sheets of paper from the maxi feeder is not preferred. Touching your document will move it to another station. Due to the C fold, the address document must remain on top of other tray contents. To utilize this tray, click on it and move it to keep it there. An alternative method called linking is also available. Selecting the tray reveals a link icon. Touching the icon enables feeding from both trays. Once the lower tray is empty, the upper tray begins feeding, allowing the operator to refill the lower tray without interrupting the job. Clicking the Edit button returns to the job programming interface. This should look familiar. This is the location where the job was originally created. The envelope icon can be selected next. Sealing may be disabled if not required. Sealing may instead be performed by the mailing machine. Various editing options are available. If the enclosure is incorrectly sized, adjustments can be made. Click here to change the enclosure type to BREs. Once changes are confirmed, the job can be saved and all edits applied. The address document is now located in the upper tray. The two stations have been linked and sealing has been turned off,